Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of my 100-day Outlook challenge. So still searching for files while writing your email? So let me show you the smarter way to add attachment in your email in Outlook. So let's jump on it. So I have created this demo email for you and I like to add attachment to that email. So first you need to go to this insert tab and under insert there is a group which is include. You will see this paperclip symbol which is attach files. Simply click on this drop down and you will see 4 options over here, and these 4 options are used to insert an attachment into your email. So the first option, which is as usual, which is also available in classic, browse this computer. When you click on it, you are redirected to the computer where you can select your specified folder in which your attachment is available and simply hit open to attach the attachment. Second option is OneDrive. When you click on this, you are redirected to your OneDrive folder where your required attachments are available. You can simply select the attachment from here and hit share link, or you can use this drop down to simply hit attach button. Now the third option is upload and share. That means in case your file is not in the cloud, you can simply first upload that file into your cloud and then share. I will show you. When I click on it, I am redirected to my system. Once I click any attachment, for example this file, simply hit open. Now my file is first uploaded to my OneDrive, and then from there I will automatically attach that file directly into my email. Now the last option is link. When you click on it, you will see insert link. I can also insert a link, a web address directly into my email, and I can also assign a display name to it. That will also a method to attach a file into your email. So these are 4 methods available in new Outlook to send an email with an attachment. Next is when you click on this drop down once again, you will see few suggestion files. These are few files which are generally I used before in my email. When I attach these files, these are listed over here. Finally, a bonus tip: once you want to attach a file, you can very easily drag any file from your system into your email. So I will show you. I selected this file, and when I drag this file into my Outlook, it will ask me 2 options. First, upload to OneDrive and share a link, which is one of the option above, and second is attach file. So I prefer this attach file. Once I release my mouse, you will see this file is attached. This way you can use 4 options in Microsoft New Outlook to attach a file into your email. So I hope you have learned something new in this video. See you tomorrow.